What up, neighbors? I just came in to give you guys a quick tour of the projects that I have been working on. And it is my new craft room. This room has been a library, it has been a teenager's TV room, it has been just a catch-all room. And I decided with all the hobbies that I'm doing that I needed a craft room. So I came in and DIY'd this room, and this is my new craft room that I wanted to give you guys a tour on. Also, I wanted to talk about the Dollar Tree DIYs that I've been doing. Now, getting on with this tour, this is the front area coming in right here. Right here, this is the door. If you would turn this away, I'm gonna try to give you guys a quick 360 of the room if I can, so y'all bear with me. And I decided to leave the sofa in here. Over here in front of the window, you will see my sewing machine. And I do sew, but I sew like pillow cushions, table runners, curtains. I don't sew clothes, no. And this is my little cart that I have that I keep all my sewing stuff in down here. And this right here is my pride and joy. It is a vintage sewing machine. And the top right here, it actually lets up. And it's a sewing machine actually is in there. And I have my window open because I have been working a DIY project with some E6000. And that stuff stinks to high heaven. And this is the patio door. So this room is off the patio, off the deck. It was supposed to be a sunroom, but again, like I said, it has been through some changes. As for this wall here, guys, I want to make this whole wall flowers, a flower wall. And as you can tell, my black art is up that way. And this is my desk and chair that I'm working with right here. And I need to get me a sewing chair. Now, let's talk about this DIY project that I've been working on. If I come over here, this is it right here, guys. And it is so pretty. It came out. And this is the stuff that I've been working with right there. Now, let's get on with this project. This project here is a DIY or Dollar Tree DIY. If you would go on their website and put in Dollar Tree DIY, you will see all these YouTubers come up with all these magnificent, wonderful designs on how you could take basic stuff and turn it into like little masterpieces. And I think I did pretty good with this one. Look at it. Isn't it cute? And all of these right here are the tea light candles that are stacked. And I chose to put bling around mine. And I got this from Made Easy or Easy Made DIY. Easy Made DIY. Or Made Easy DIY. It's one of them, how she say her name. But I just finished this one. And it has that E6000 that stinks. That's why I got my sweat top on. And get this, y'all. This is a plastic Dollar Tree bowl with the light inside. And it's a basic Dollar Tree light that you just put on the inside of this bowl and put on the top of here. And you got a light. See? Turning it back on. Gotta mash it first. Slide that back over there. And as you can see, got my little craft stuff here. My little glue gun there. And I use that candle plate for my glue gun. And if you come over here to the right, on my right, you see my little craft here. I got all my papers in there, all my embellishments in there, and all my bling. So yes, I'm the one that's stealing all the bling or getting all the bling from Dollar Tree. Not stealing, paying for it, but just scooping it up. And this is that decorative paper over here, if you can see that. And these little decorative boxes, they also come from Dollar Tree. And you can store a lot of little stuff in. Now, we are about to see the vases that I made. And her page is called Dazzling Designs by Denise. And we're about to see what I did and created off her design. This is the vase that I created from Dazzling Designs by Denise. And I put bling around mine. Hers did not have any bling around it. And I did a second one right here, also with the bling around it. And I thought they came out so pretty. And it goes with the color scheme of my room anyway. Now, while we looking in this mirror, let me give y'all a view of my hair. It is in an updo. My undercut is still there. And as you know, to all my lock wearers that know that I started my videos out with talking about my locks, I have combined some of my locks around the edges and the nape area, because the longer the locks get, I think the thinner your bed gets. So I have started to combine. And I also have started to go to a hair salon because I got short arms and my hair has grown, and it's tiresome trying to do hair that you're not used to doing when it's long like that. So yes, and as of April 16th, I will be 7 years locked. Yep. And it's all up in a bun, and I like my hair up. So you have seen my craft room, you have seen my hair, and you have seen my DIY projects from Dollar Tree. So if you like any of the DIYs, you can always go to a Dollar Tree DIYs on your YouTube page, and they have some of the most amazing projects that they be doing, and it is so simple and it is cheap, and you can make some of this stuff look really expensive. So with that being said, neighbors, if I have anyone new coming to this channel, well, and you like the content, hit the subscribe button, share the video, thumbs it up, and leave me a comment, okay? And to my old subscribers, y'all already know what to do. Just hit the notification bell, okay? And also, before I end this video, neighbors, tell your neighbors to watch a new neighbor, okay? Peace.